stunning Neha Dhupia made heads turn when she was recently seen at the AXN Action Awards, Bollywood's only action awards. Neha looks stunning in a white tee teamed up with a brown jacket with those cute white shorts. Looking every bit of an action girl herself, Neha surely knows how to set the temperature rising.
Well, lots of Bollywood films जिसमें बहुत तरह का एक्शन है और मुझे पसंद आया. This different, from Gajini to Kamine to even Wanted, the action has been fabulous. But somebody who I think who deals with action and who handles action beautifully is Akshay Kumar. और मैं हमेशा यही कहती हूँ कि he makes action look so easy. अगर इंसान को इतनी ऊंची बिल्डिंग से छलांग मार के दूसरी बिल्डिंग पे चले जाता है, and he makes it look easier than what I can make walking look. So I'm a big fan of his when it comes to action and even otherwise. But India's come out with some great action films. Even not only this, I've been a part of a few action films, whether it was Shootout at Lokanwala or even Sing is King. I've always enjoyed this genre as a viewer. I think as a country we can do more and more when it comes to action. Like the first year we had Shootout Lokanwala that won, then we had Gajini that won. Now we have nominations like Wanted and Kurban and Blue. So action is getting different, it's getting interesting, and it's getting bigger. So that's the best part about it. Well, I'd love to do an out-and-out action film with Akshay Kumar. I think physically and mentally I'm very tuned to doing action. I work out a lot and I feel really fit. And as an actor, I watch a lot of action films. He's going to be quite a delight to be working on an action film with. But apart from that, if the script is great, I'd love to work with anyone. Everyone makes it look good.